Hey guys, so I am actually in the middle of some like spring cleaning in my house and came across um blind boxes that I actually bought on my December trip. Yes, it's March and I'm finding stuff I bought in December. That's just the level of chaos that I have going on with organizing, but that's the whole other thing. But I thought I'd go ahead and show you guys because some of the blind boxes that they have in the parks, and this is not just Disney, this is Universal. We're actually going to go over the Universal stuff first, but some of the blind box stuff that they have at the theme parks is pretty awesome. So let's take a look. The first thing that I got, this is what is at Epic. These are the dragon ones, the How to Train Your Dragon. Like, this is the container comes, it's like wrapped in plastic, but when you open it, you've actually got and I've actually got two of them. I'll show you the one that everybody's gonna want to see, which is toothless. I like that they put the plastic here because obviously that's going to protect it. And it's even got his tail, but it's not just that. It's got a little background. So they're actually called dragon drifters. But it's got a little holder that I feel like it's not very sturdy, but okay, there it goes. So it goes on, and then it goes on the stand, so it can be displayed just like this. The little thing, also I feel like you can put your finger through it. So we got Toothless, which was, you know, I feel like the one to get. But then the other one, we got Stormfly. So like the two to get for us, for my boyfriend and I, like these were the ones. And of course Stormfly has a base and holder, and it's a different background. But yeah, like super cute. So I went ahead and took the plastic, so you can see like Toothless shooting, and then Stormfly. So I mean, these were just really cool. Obviously, if they still have these on my next trip to Epic, we're totally getting more. But great display. Previous video, those were How to Train Your Dragons, and I still actually have some from Epic. And I got more of these, so I figured this was a separate video. So what I got are the Bitty Monsters. It even says like it's Universal, so it's an actual Universal product. But there's 7 of them. I have 6 boxes. I put it this way, I don't remember which ones I got, even though they're open, and I feel like I've got 6 boxes, so like obviously they were it's Frankenstein. Look how cute. And he's like, because there's a whole, like, this is not something you want to open in the parks, but he's got a whole, like, outfit, because there's actually, like, a card. So, sitting on the log with a flower, which, of course, as you guys know, if anybody is a monster fan, in the original Frankenstein, like, black and white original Frankenstein, when he is wandering around the town, he meets a little girl, and the little girl gives him a flower, and they throw the flower in the lake or the river or whatever it is, and him not knowing, he throws the little girl in and accidentally drowns her. That's why when you are in Dark Universe, you will see a statue of a little girl beside the Darkmoor sign, and you will sometimes see flowers. It is an homage with that for that movie reference, so this is super cute. I will put these all together later, because I don't know which duplicates I have. Because like I said, I've got 6 boxes, and I don't remember. So this is bigger. Okay. So we got Mummy, which is super cute. So this one, obviously, we don't have to put together. But he is in a bag. So he does have, like, a little stand. Okay, his butt's showing, which I think is really cute. So I guess it's supposed to look like the sarcophagus is taking the wrappings, so he doesn't have to stay in there. That is super cute, because here's a little clear stand. Okay, this is going to be so cute displayed. Okay, so far we've got Mummy and Frankenstein, and like I said, I've got, yeah, 6 boxes. This one's light, so Wolfman, how cute is he? And okay, he's got a lot more pieces to him. Let's see the card. So he's supposed to be like digging in the dirt, but that is just so cute. Okay, so far no duplicates, but there's 7 of them. So I feel like I didn't get the whole set. Okay, so here's our one of our duplicates, another Mummy. So 2 more boxes. Oh, Dracula. Okay. I love Dracula. Dracula's probably one of my favorites, but monster characters. So that's super cute. Let's see what the card shows. So like here's the little stuff. So he is looking in the mirror and not seeing his reflection. He's got his little friend the bat. Okay, so we've got 4 out of the 7. And one more box. And did we get another duplicate? How did I not even open this? I must have looked at the card and realized, yeah, it's another duplicate, but it's Frankenstein. So 2 duplicates out of the 6. And yeah, now we'll put them all together. Okay guys, so here is them all put together. The details of each one is just like, honestly, like, and even look, like, there's a little squirrel in the log. Like, the details, I'm gonna move Frank so we can see, is just so cool. And like, even, okay, let me move Wolfie. And I kind of, I'm not gonna lie, like, you can see the mummy's butt. Like, that's just like the little kid in me that's happy about that. But these are just, now they're all messed up. But, oh. So got 4 out of 7. So now I have to get the other 3. So more blind boxes on my next epic trip.